Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our walk through Mills Falls at the Ancaster Mill in Hamilton, Ontario. This charming spot blends natural beauty with rich history, making it a favorite for both locals and visitors. There are two main waterfalls here, Upper Mill Falls, which stands about 7 meters high, and Lower Mill Falls, slightly shorter at 6 meters. Both flow year-round, adding a peaceful backdrop to the area. The creek itself is part of the Niagara Escarpment. The history of this place dates back to 1791, when James Wilson, with support from Richard Beasley, built the first sawmill and gristmill here. These mills were vital for the early settlers, providing lumber and flour. The current stone mill building was constructed using limestone from the area. Its thick walls and sturdy design have stood the test of time. Today, the Ancaster Mill operates as a restaurant and event venue, offering guests a chance to dine amidst history and nature. The surrounding area is beautifully landscaped, with pathways and gardens that invite leisurely exploration. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Mills Falls at the Ancaster Mill in Hamilton, Ontario. Thanks for watching!